So this is Pascale, and he has mohair, and we're going to be getting this little man assembled. Hold your head, dear boy. Hold your head, still boy. Okay. Hey, man. He like, come on, TT. Here's his body. And then he is a limited edition, so he is number 1803 out of 3300. He is a limited edition kit. So this is how the kit looked blank. And then that is the kit painted. Oh. Okay, so that's his. Glass beads for Wayne. And that'll go in his sock. And then we have a good old baby powder. Baby powder scent. Baby powder scent. Baby powder scent. Where's your, I did make him a passy. Where's your passy? Oh, there I go. Hear me, and he's got a magnetic pacifier. Alright. You don't want shit like that. You don't want shit like that, man? Okay. It's okay. You don't have to, boy. You don't have to. Alright, let's get this Reborn Baby Doll assembled. Okay. Let's say these are his limbs. And he does have a tummy plate. So, this has a little tummy plate. Yeah, that's a little bitty old thing. Yes, I is. Here for a minute. Hold your, lay down, boy. Lay down, man. I'm like, okay, TT. Okay. off of you. And he is born. Uh-oh. Y'all see his little moles? Did you see my little moles? Here, man. Hey. Hey. Let's get him a little diaper. And there him go.
If you want a baby, you can just go to babykidsunlimited.com. You can check out her Facebook at Baby and Kids Unlimited Reborn Nursery.
That's right. In my Instagram.
If you want to see what she be doing on Instagram, you can go to Baby and Kids Unlimited.
TikTok.
Baby and Kids Unlimited.
Pinterest.
She don't got one. She do not got Pinterest. She do not got one.
Why you don't think I have a Pinterest?
Because you don't even.
And now, if I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
Why you always
deducted?
Dang, why you always trying to gamble something?
Because you don't believe me.
You always
If I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
You know $20 so you go upstairs and make an email address and the password.
No, you can look and see when I signed up.
I'm not finna do all that. I'm finna keep my little $20. I'm finna go get me some Wendy's.
Cause
and I'm finna make sure they put.
Why?
the
Because you know your mother don't lie?
No, but you don't lie?
No.
You're Ma.
Niche.
Ma.
Niche.
Ma.
Niche.
You don't lie?
No. What I lie about?
I ain't even going to expose you.
Whatever.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
I do, yes.
All right, my woo babies, my woos. See you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, see you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, I will see you later on the next video.